Hey guys, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Wiggins Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested in this beautiful wig, check my description box down below for links. So let's hop into this wig, you guys. Now, this is what the packaging looks like. Just a simple bag with their logo on it. Now, inside, they sent over a baby hair brush, some lashes, and a wig cap, and I think an elastic band. And this is what the wig looks like. It is 24 inches and it's a body wave texture. This is what the hairline looks like, which it did come pre-plucked, but the knots did not come bleached. I did go in and bleach the knots, so I'm showing you what the hair looks like before I bleached the knots. I did not pluck the hairline. I repeat, I did not pluck the hairline, you guys. You don't need to pluck the hairline, which I could appreciate that very much because I don't really like to put in too much work when it comes to my wigs. I just feel like nowadays the wig should already come ready to, apply and put on. So this is the construction. Of course, your, typical construction: two combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And excuse the kids running around in the background. If you have kids, then you totally understand. But this is what the wig looks like. I'm going to tell y'all right now, I am absolutely in love with this wig. Now, to apply this wig, I actually use my Got To Be Glue freeze spray, and I also use the gel because I knew that I wanted to wear this longer than just one day. And let me tell you something, this wig held up. So usually when I want to wear my wigs longer, I do apply the gel and the freeze spray, and it definitely makes my wigs last longer. So I think that this wig lasts me around I would say roughly 4 to 5 days. Day 5 was pushing it, but y'all, and let me tell you something, the curls, like the wand curls that I did on this hair, held up. I didn't have to put like a flexi rod on it, nothing. I think the first 2 days I wore my bonnet, and then after that I was just sleeping on it regular. And I woke up, brushed the curls out with my vent brush, and literally the curls were still intact. I could very much appreciate that. But now I'm taking my wax stick and just laying down. I swear, y'all, a hot comb or a what is that called? A wand curler is going to be your best friend, because that's basically what you need to get your wig laying flat, besides your hair being flat underneath. Um, and as you can see, the wig lays so flat. Sometimes when you get wigs, like, it be too much hair in the lace where it just looks very bulky, and you have to put in a lot of work to get it to look flat. Not this wig. They did not add a lot of hair where the lace is, which I absolutely love, because you just want your wigs to lay flat. And this looks like my hair, my scalp, my hairline, my everything, y'all. And guess what? I didn't add any baby hairs because I wanted to really showcase this hairline, which looks freaking amazing. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but I'm thinking it looks like freaking scalp. Okay, I'm just thinking it looks so natural. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Now I'm going to take my wand curler and I'm just going to put some wand curls in this hair. It was quick, simple, easy, and the curls came out gorgeous in my opinion. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. And I see y'all in my next video.